Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about engagement reports in GA4. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is engagement report. The engagement overview report is made of the individual cards that summarize engagement data from the engagement reports, including the events report, conversions report, page and screens report, and landing page reports. So let's see how we can see those reports from GA4 dashboard and how we can analyze those data. So you can see over here, I am in one of my GA4 properties. So if I go to the engagement section, we have 5 options available here, like overview, events, conversions, page and screens, landing page. So if I click on overview, then we can see a couple of metrics are available here, like average engagement time, 1 minute 10 seconds, engage session per user, 0.78, average engagement, 55 seconds, and you can see over here user in last 30 minutes. So in last 30 minutes we have 1 users. That's why it is showing 1. And top page and screen, you can see over here, this page has got 1 user, this page also got 1 user. So it is showing the real-time data. And you can see over here total view is, so we are seeing last 90 days data. So in last 90 days we got 6.2k views and our event count was 24k. So you can customize those date trends according to your requirements, like if you want to see the data for last 7 days or last 28 days or last 30 days, or even you can see the data for last 12 months. So you can customize those options as per your requirements. So you can see over here, you event count by event name. So page view, 6.2k event count, user engagement, view items, scrolls, session start, view card, first visit. You can see page title and screen wise data, shop passions, these pages. Page title contains this one, this section. And you can see over here user activity over time. So we have 30 days user activity. So this one is for 30 days user activity, 7 days user activity. So this one is basically for 7 days user activity and 1 day user activity. So this one is for basically 1 day user activity. And you can see user stickiness over here, like daily active user versus monthly active user, daily active user divided by weekly active user, weekly active user divided by monthly active user. So the ratio of weekly active user divided by monthly active user is pretty high. So this is perfectly working fine. So you can analyze those data from this section, from this overview section. So if I go to the event section, then we can see the data on event wise. So you can see all the events are available here, like page view, user engagement, view item. So you need to set up those events using Google Tag Manager first, like view item, view cart, add to cart. So if I go to the row per page section and if I make it 25, then we'll see more events like add to cart purchase. So if I try to show you how I did it, so if I go to the Google Tag Manager, so you can see this is for my website. So I have set up all the e-commerce tracking, Facebook pixel and server-side tagging for this website. Also, you can see over here GA4 purchase, GA4 view card, GA4 view item, GA4 add to cart, GA4 base tag. So first of all, you need to set up those events in Google Tag Manager, and you need to connect your tag manager with your website so that you can see those data from analytics dashboard. So you can see over here view item, it has got those amount of events. View cart 1502, event count, and you can see over here purchase. So the total purchase amount was $3.6K, So we have set up GA4 e-commerce tracking. That's why it is showing the data, e-commerce data, you know, and we can see the total revenue as well. So yeah, this is for the event section. And if I go to the conversion section, as I already told you, this is an e-commerce site. So the conversion event should be purchased, you know. So I have set up the only conversion event for this website is purchase. So you can see over here total conversion is 338. So I'm seeing last 90 days data. In last 90 days we have got 338 conversions, total user 129, total revenue 3.6k, you know. And if I go to the pages and screen sections, then we will be seeing data on the basis of pages, you know. See, so if I you can customize this option, like you can do it page title and screen class, page path and screen class, page title and screen class, you know. So you can customize those options according to your requirements. So you can see backward slash is for your main domain or main URL or home page. So home page has got the most amount of views. The user was 627 views per user, 1.94, you know. And you can see over here conversions all events. So you can select purchase as your conversion event, and you can sort those data from here as per your requirements, and you can see the total revenue from here. So if I customize this using page title and screen name, then you will see those page or those page title and screen name has got 151 conversions, and total value was 1.5k dollar, you know. Average engagement time 0 minute 19 seconds. So you can see those page has got 14 conversions and total revenue was $18. So you can go through all those options and customize and analysis reports as per your requirements, you know. And if I go to the landing page section, then you can see the data on the basis of landing page, you know. So this is for basically the home page. It has got 775 session, total user 614, new user 591, and average engagement time per session 1 minute 12 seconds. And if I scroll right a little bit, then you can see this page has got 100 and this total 127 conversions, and total revenue was $844, you know. So next one is product tailor. So this is a Spanish language, so it's quite difficult to read, you know. So hopefully you have understood. So this page or this page title and screen class has got 322 users. In between them, new user is 318, and average engagement time 40 seconds, you know. It hasn't got any conversions, so that's why it is not showing any total revenue. So you can analyze those data and make uh, any decisions for your business, that which pages is performing well, which landing page you should make improvement, which pages are getting most amount of conversions, you know. So yeah, this is very helpful. You can see the holistic insights of your website data, you know. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can see engagement reports from our GA4 dashboard, and how we can analyze those data from our Google Analytics 4 dashboard. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.